when Yeshua was coming up to Jerusalem from Bethany, he saw a fig tree with lots of leaves, as this one has. As soon as it has leaves, it has these little things, which are not fruit, those are pagi. Pagi is the flower of the fig tree, and it's edible. He saw it, he says, I'm going to have something to eat. And so he goes to pick pagi from the fruit tree, and he finds there are none. And what does he do next? He curses the tree. Why does he curse the tree? His disciples asked him that question. They came by the next day and said, what'd you do that for? And his answer was very interesting, a cryptic answer. His answer was, have faith in God. Okay, so what is he doing? He's comparing the pagi to faith. And so why would you compare pagi to faith? Because pagi, even though it's edible, it's not yet fruit. And without faith, you'll never bear fruit. Without pagi, you'll never bear fruit. And so I want you to see how important faith is in this story, because he curses the tree when he sees it has no pagi. And then he says, he compares it to faith. What you should understand from that is not only is it impossible to please God without faith, you're facing a curse if you have no faith. And I would say it's a very solemn warning to us that you should do your best to exhibit faith every day. Now, when we did the story on Mount Carmel the other day, when we talked about the faith of Elijah there, one of the things that's cool about Elijah is that he had faith every day. It wasn't one time thing, it was every day. If you read the story back, you'll see that he was an expression of faith literally every day. And so faith is an interesting word in Hebrew. It is, by the way, the word is emunah. Emunah. It's the same exact word as faithfulness. Faith and faithfulness are the same thing. And so pagi and fruit are very much the same thing, right? But you can't have one without the other. So if you have faith and no faithfulness, you're not going to have fruit. If you have faithfulness and no faith, you're not going to have fruit. So the answer is you have to have both. They are not separatable.